Dang, them light up bright. Them super, super bright LEDs. Gee whiz. Wonder how you get them side ones on, or if they don't. And rear lights. Oh, you know them are on. Sweet. Booger's nice. And look at these mirrors, how they're kind of angled out like that. Here, let's get it out in the sun. You guys can see better. Welcome back to the channel. If you can see behind me here, we do have a golf cart that is not running, and we are going to try to figure out what exactly is wrong with it. Hopefully it's an easy fix. If not, I'm going to need some help from you guys. I've watched a bunch of videos already, so apparently I think I know what I'm doing, but you know that's probably not the case. But let's dive into this booger and see if we can't get it running and share some tips and tricks along the way so we can help each other out. And yeah, we want to get riding because golf carts are awesome. They're a nice, cheap alternative to a side-by-side razor. Lots of fun around town, in the field, on the course, whatever you need them for. We all know golf carts are cool, but let's try to get this thing started. All right, guys, so here she is. This is our 2010 Club Car Precedent, straight out of the box, bone stock. Does have this cool bed on the back if you guys didn't see the other video where we brought this sucker home. This is what we're working with now. The only problem is the golf cart itself did not want to run sometimes. You'd push the pedal down and nothing would happen. Although, even if you had the key on and you shifted it, you can hear it buzzing in there. Hear that? So it's got power, but for some reason, you push it and it does nothing. Now, I've watched a bunch of different videos on it. Our battery's good. We got fuel. I've looked at the switch under here. I've done all kinds of things, and it looks like quite possibly that solenoid right there is no good. They say it's a fairly common problem with that, so it wasn't super expensive. This was a $20 item on Amazon, so we're going to replace this sucker and see if that does not solve our issues. If not, maybe we'll have to take it to the shop. I'm not a mechanic by any means. Normally, when we're working on the trucks and everything on the channel, we work with Overtime Diesel, our local repair shop. But I did want to try this one for myself, so we're going to see what's going on. Let me see. See the lights? Oh yeah, we got power, boy. Not an issue with the power. It's just it does not want to kick on. So let's try the solenoid swap here. We'll take you through. I think all you got to do is unplug one of the terminals on the battery. We're going to unplug the power one. The hot side, we're going to take that off, and then one at a time we're going to swap all these wires. We'll probably undo it from the base and go one for one. We'll take a picture of it. If you're having trouble wondering what number you guys have for your cart, there is a serial number inside there, and you can get on Buggy's Unlimited website and find out exactly what year you have, so that way when you go to order parts, you can get the exact ones you need the first try. Also, a lot of people do the rear seat conversion swap, so if you're into this kind of stuff, we do have this coming in the next video, hopefully. So we're going to take this utility bed off and turn this into a 4-seater, so super excited for that. Be able to take a couple more family members around town. So again, super clean cart, no real problems with it other than it just does not want to run consistently. So we're going to get the new solenoid on. Bear with me, I'll put you guys on time lapse, and we'll see if we can't fix this booger. guys, well, here is the old one out, and watch me flip this over. Oh yeah, you know we had to rip that side off. Dang it, I hate that. But it was stripped out so bad, and not for me. I know you guys are going to blame me and the power tools, but I was very careful. As you can see, I went back and forth from the hand wrench, the power drill, different wrenches, different pliers, everything. Got the new one all snugged back in there with one. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but that booger ain't going nowhere. That's plenty. Supposed to be hooked back up the exact same way. I just haven't hit the power yet. But I'm nervous and excited to see if this is going to work, but not bad at all. Just take your time. I did fight the little ones, the little ends, quite a little bit. I just had to use an open end wrench. Couldn't get a socket on there. The big ones, I believe. Oh yeah, so the big ones were 13s. The small ones were maybe a 10 or maybe a standard size, but I just used the little open end 10 to get them off. And then a little bit of plier action on there, but she got her. Now if we can go ahead and get this power hooked back up, hopefully we do a little turnkey, little throttle press, and we'll be back in action. So here goes nothing. Let's see. All right, so battery is reconnected with a 15 mil. So then we will go ahead and try this. I'm nervous. Let me get on the other side here, guys. Oh boy, I don't like this one bit. Turn the key. Nothing. Lights work. Okay. So that is supposed to go, and we got nothing, and everything's hooked up right. Well, crap. Now what? Well, guys, I'm not sure where to go from here. Another thing that I was supposed to check was this fuse down here, this 10 right here. It is perfectly good, not blown. So I don't know. I'm not sure what else to check. Probably, honestly, going to take it to a repair shop if I can't figure it out. If you guys let me know what else to check. My dad said maybe check. There might be a sensor underneath this pedal, so I'll dig into that a little bit. But help me out in the comments, guys. Just not totally sure where to go from here, so I appreciate any and all help I can get. Stay tuned. Like I said, we'll put the rear seats on this sucker either way, whether it's running or not, so that way when it is running, it'll be ready to go. But thank you guys for all the love and support. Stick around if you like this kind of stuff, and we will see y'all in the next one. Peace.